Regardless of nameplate, your customers may be driving something they, or you, don't even understand. New energy vehicles, or NEVs, a type of vehicle which includes battery electric vehicles, BEVs, and hybrids, rely on a thermal management system that is critical for the performance, safety, and longevity of these vehicles. Three key components of the thermal management system, management hoses, electric water pumps, and electric coolant valves, all work together to regulate the temperature of key components such as the battery pack, electric motor, and power electronics. It ensures these components operate within their optimal temperature ranges, enhancing efficiency and preventing overheating. Thermal management hoses transport coolant to various parts of the vehicle and are made from materials that can withstand high temperatures and corrosive coolants. The hoses can often be quite complex, containing several branches, each with outlets, temperature and pressure sensors, seals, quick connects, and clips. Over time, hoses can degrade due to exposure to heat and chemicals, leading to leaks or reduced cooling efficiency. Electric water pumps circulate coolant throughout the system, ensuring consistent heat dissipation. They're controlled electronically, allowing for precise regulation of coolant flow based on the cooling needs of the vehicle. This pump can fail due to electrical issues or mechanical wear. Because they're primarily made from plastic, temperature fluctuations over time can lead to cracks and eventually coolant leaks. A decrease in cooling efficiency or unusual noise from the pump area can be signs of impending failure. Electric coolant valves can be found in many different applications within the vehicle and are responsible for a variety of duties, including regulating the flow of coolant to the cabin heating system, battery temperature regulation, window defogging, and defrosting. In NEVs, they play a crucial role in maintaining cabin comfort without excessively draining the battery. Similar to water pumps, these components are often plastic and can crack over time, leading to coolant leaks. In other cases, valve failure can lead to insufficient cabin heating or, in some cases, overheating of the coolant system. Other than visual signs of coolant leaks, signs of failure include inconsistent cabin temperature. The thermal management system operates by circulating coolant through the various components that need cooling or heating. Sensors monitor the temperature of these components, and the control unit adjusts the flow of coolant using the electric water pump and electric coolant valves. The system works in tandem with the vehicle's HVAC system to ensure both cabin comfort and optimal operating temperatures for critical components. Regular inspections of all of these components are crucial. Look for signs of wear such as cracks, bulges, or leaks. They will begin needing replacement in 4 to 5 years, but that deadline may be sooner if any damage is observed. Electric water pumps should be checked for proper operation during routine maintenance. If a pump fails, it should be replaced immediately to prevent overheating of the vehicle's components. Heater control valves should be inspected for smooth operation in addition to signs of leaks. These valves typically have a lifespan similar to that of the electric water pump. Keep in mind, since all of these components are part of the thermal management system, they're typically connected to each other and can influence the performance of the connected part. If the housing or connector of the electric water pump has a crack, it's not only crucial to replace the pump, but it's also recommended to inspect and replace the connecting hose, since it has gone through similar stress and may be nearing the end of its life. The thermal management system ensures the longevity and efficiency of key vehicle parts in NEVs. Regular maintenance and timely service are essential for the entire system's optimal performance. By staying vigilant and addressing issues promptly, your team can play a crucial role in maintaining the reliability and safety of new energy vehicles. For more information, visit gates.com. Thanks for watching.